More? What do you want more of?
What?
Come here, I'll give you more. Come here.
She's a more puzzle, please. Is that funny that we're laughing at you? Oh, she's looking at her drink. Look. Do you want your drink? You want your drink? Oh, yes.
Oh, now you have to say thank you.
Oh. Where did you learn that? Who told you
I
that?
don't know. I just remember growing up hearing Ellie went to show and tell with someone.
Bo took you for show and tell?
I should have take Millie.
I think he had me make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I was there, part of it. And I remember sitting in class and the girls just like following Bo around. It was the cutest.
That is the sweetest thing. I took when Sunny had puppies, I put one of her puppies in my backpack. The dog was barking, and my backpack was like rolling.
It was like
Why did Mom let me do that? I don't know.
She probably didn't know.
She probably didn't know.
Or she
And
didn't
then
care.
The teacher was like, Bonnie, will you just do your show and tell right now, and then please walk your puppy home?
Oh,
Anyway, what did you guys? Anyone else take anything for show and tell?
no.
Show
I bought
and
a
tell.
baby doll, and she was
Aw.
like, "What does it do?" I go, "The eyes close when you lay it back." And she goes, "Yeah, but what does it do?" And I was like, "So
The teacher?
yeah." I was like, "It's a doll."
You're like, you're the teacher, smart one.
We brought my dog once, but my dad brought the dog and then took it home afterwards.
Like
So
real
it's not
people
quite
do.
the same, but
Like normal people.
Like,
Lady in my backpack.
you know,
I
we
couldn't
were
just put him in
fun.
the backpack. That's why.
Mom, can I take Lady in my backpack tomorrow?
I took the puppy for Boston.
Yeah, she did a show and tell with Lady.
Oh,
Did you ever take anything for show and tell?
No.
Let me see Dada.
She's all, no, shut up. I'm drinking myself. Not really, but.
All right.
Dada.
Millie's in trouble for getting into Linda's Diet Coke.
Is it actually Lady?
Yeah, it's Aunt Linda's.
Lily, can you say Dada?
If Aunt Linda watches this, she'll laugh. And she'll say, put that back. You put that back.
Wait until that thing explodes.
No, yeah. If she knew that it was Linda Griffiths holding her Coke, she'd be okay.
Yeah, she'd be like, it's great. It's
We have a crock pot full of chili. We have a canister of boiling water. We have hot cocoa mugs. We have Fritos. We have hot chocolate. We have snow gear. Can you guys guess what we're doing?
Sorry, you forgot your coat.
I know, you guys, I forgot my coat.
If you want my
I just have Jared's like thin jacket. I forgot my boots. I brought boots for Joel, so Joel's like, where are my boots? She brought the chili. Yeah, I brought chili.
where we're from, that's a full-on winter's jacket, okay?
Yeah, well, it's helping me, so.
It's 9 degrees out here right
I
now.
have my bikini under here. I thought we were gonna hot tub. I wish. One day, okay, I'm a proud mama. I feel like of my sisters right here, my brother-in-law. Ellie cried the same way I cried walking into her house. I just think we're really proud of each other.
Joel's skill sets are. I'm so glad I know him. This is cool.
Okay, well, let's show you the house. Everyone be careful. We've got the heater going. I'm not sure it's gonna last us.
It's loud, so.
You guys want to Christmas tree down here?
Joel put a Christmas tree up for us. When I tell you that I died, Joel knew we were coming, so he turned the heater on and he put up a Christmas tree. What better place to come sledding than to our very own property? This is a very, that's a very steep hill, actually. Okay, well, here we go. You guys found the steepest hill in the whole place. Please don't break your teeth.
Hey, can I use this?
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year, I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears, a toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded.
I promised everyone there would be a heater and that it would keep us warm. And guys, it is not warm. The heater is not working. The chili is not very hot. Guys, it'll be a day to remember, won't it? The day you came to Aunt Bonnie's and froze in the basement next to a Christmas tree. I'm coming outside to grab a few things, and I am so emotional because I just am surrounded by everybody that I love, and obviously we're missing a few people, and I wish they were here too, but I just feel really emotional because I've been to everyone's place. I've gone and I've supported everybody and things that they do, and you know, when they move, we've gone and helped, and I am so thrilled to have all of my people at my place. And this is what I've imagined. This is what I've wanted. And I'm emotional too because we love and support each other no matter what we're doing. I can see Joel up there on his four-wheeler, and of course he's, you know, helping the kids have a good time as they're sliding down that hill. I can barely talk because my mouth is almost froze. And here's the thing. We're in the house. We're freezing our butts off. We forgot to turn the chili on when we got it here. So, you know, the chili's not that hot. The hot chocolate's not that hot. I forgot my coat. It's, you know, we're all, Millie's crying, but it's still fun.
Oh, we're having a blast.
We're still having a good time. Let's talk about today. Was it warm?
No.
Yes.
Was the food warm?
No.
No. But you know, I was really proud of everyone for putting a smile on their face and eating it anyways.
It was good. You didn't see my face. It was good. It tasted. Our hearts were warm.
My taste buds were so frozen I couldn't taste anything, so it was great.
Yeah, okay, so our hearts were warm. That was the only thing that was warm.
I've had there in a long time.
So to redeem ourselves, we are going to the one and only craving Ellie has had. Where are we going?
I was just gonna say Pizza Pie Cafe. No, the Ogden Pizzeria.
Ogden Pizzeria. They have the most fabulous orange drinks.
Give me your piece.
Here, don't touch it, don't touch it.
This isn't hot. Yeah, that's not hot.
You want a big one? He's like, want to see the cheese out. May or may not work. Oh, no cheese.
Here's what I love. We love to party the same. We love to work the same. You know, we love to clean up the same. Olivia, Cody, thank you for helping me keep the house picked up and organized with all of the kids, because things can get really messy and wild with all the kids. However, If you keep things clean as you go, it keeps things much more enjoyable, okay? So Bossy, I have a job for you. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Don't go.
Tell me when you're done with the laundry. Boston, any shoes that are the Meekums, line them up nice and neatly.
Yeah.
If they belong to us, line them up nice and neatly in the garage.
Yes, Mom.
Excuse me. I felt bunny ears being placed on my head. Do it and then come to me and tell me when you're done.
Yes, Mom.
Thank you. I think that's a wrap. I think that is a wrap on another holiday Christmas vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I went blue. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.